Hello friends, how are you friends? Today scaffolding ties, the topic is ties for scaffolding erection are used. So I will discuss function of ties, types of ties today. Ties have a dual purpose. They control the overall stability of the scaffold from forces such as wind loads and most importantly brace the legs. uh, rules of ties. General rules of ties are: number one, all ties should be fixed with load bearing couplers. Number two, the bottom tie must be placed no higher than 4 times. Number three, minimum base width and every 26 feet vertically should be. Number four, the entire scaffold should be ties and securely braced against the building at intervals not to exceed 30 feet horizontally and 26 feet vertically, recommended by the manufacturer. Number five, ties should be as close as possible to the junction of the standard and ledger. Uh, Number six, at least 50% of ties should be positive, that is, they do not get their strength from friction, as in the case with the reveal ties. Next stage is common methods of tying, or uh, these are the uh, types of ties. Number one, through ties, it's positive type. Uh, Through ties are put through openings in the structure such as windows or doorways. uh, Number two, reveal ties, not positive. Uh, these are used an opening in the structure. However, the reveal ties are wedged between the horizontal or vertical face of opening. Number three, box ties. It's positive ties. Uh, box ties can be used if there are columns close to the scaffold. Uh, Tie tubes run both sides of the column with cross tubes tied back and front to both tie tubes. Number four, anchor bolts, positive type. These are used to connect structure or non-structure elements to concrete. Uh, uh, it's very the pull out length, and they leave a hole behind which has to be repaired. A pull out force of at least 800 lbs, 1200 lbs and 1600 lbs is necessary for light, medium and heavy duty scaffold respectively. Next stage is planking. Wood scaffold planks should be nominal 2 inch to 10 inch. Actual 1.5 by 9.5 inch, and it should be a scaffold plank grade. Number two, the maximum span for wood planks should not exceed 8 feet. A span of 8 feet is rated for 25 pounds per square foot maximum. The span of 6 feet is rated 50 pounds per square foot maximum. Planking should extend a minimum of 6 inches 50 centimeter over the center of each support, and a maximum of 12 inches 30 centimeter. For gaps between adjacent planks or toe boards should not exceed 1 inch. Where necessary, to place planks at an angle other than horizontal for ramps, elevation, uh, work on variable heights, ceilings, any slope greater than 1 by 10 ratio. So it should not exceed 12 inch planks. Number six, Each scaffold walkway should be at least 18 inches 45 centimeter wide. Number 7, the front edge of all platforms should not be more than 14 inches 35 centimeter from the face of the work unless guardrails are provided. Number 8, platforms shall not deflect more than 1 by 60 of the span when loaded. Loads. Uh, uh, the maximum load capacity of scaffold is determined by the computing the maximum load being applied. OSHA requires that a scaffold be designed with a 4 to 1 safety factor. Uh, the, sca- the, s- the scaffold load capacity is defined depending on use, uh, um, like working level, uh, categorized in three sections. Number 1 is light duty, 25 pounds per square foot of work platform. This is for trades such as painting, window cleaning, etc. B, medium duty, 50 pounds per square foot of work platform for trades such as plastering, etc. C, heavy duty, for heavy duty, 75 pounds per square foot of work platform for trades such as masons, for masonry work, stone setters, etc., etc. uh, number of work number of work platforms which will be used simultaneously above each other. The sum of the loads per working platform must then be added and applied to the structure. uh, the height of the scaffold, uh, the self weight of all components of the scaffold must be added when load capacity is calculated. So it includes uh, height of the scaffold and self weight of all components. Last stage is total load applied. The total load applied is the sum of the working platform loads plus the self weight of the scaffold. Example are dead load plus live load. Material loads should be evenly distributed on platforms and not concentrated on in one small area. So this was the detailed review where types of toys and their functions and planking functions and load capacities were discussed with all of you.